Samsung's Galaxy S10 has a terrible problem and users aren't going to like the fix. If you own a Galaxy S10, you might want to avoid the latest software, with some users complaining that it is locking them out of their device. Samsung Galaxy S10 users have complained of a major bug which is blocking them for their devices. The issues seem to be affecting S10 owners in the US who have recently upgraded to the latest Android software. According to numerous reports, once installed, the glitch causes owners to be locked out of their S10s without being able to get through the password entry screen. It seems no matter how many times you enter the correct PIN, the phone simply won't unlock. Posting a message on Samsung's forum pages, one user said, "I updated my phone with the latest software update. When it restarted, it asked me for a password to access my device even though I have never set up my phone with a password to access it." And another added, "The same thing happened to me. Went to the Verizon store and they had to do a hard reset. Now I am back up and running after reinstalling everything." There's still some confusion about which exact devices are suffering from this serious problem, but appears to largely affect those on the Verizon network. However, AT&T has also been mentioned on community pages, so it's possible that the bug is more widespread. To make matters worse, it seems the only current fix available is to completely reset the device or launch it in safe mode, which will be hugely frustrating for anyone affected. Until a fix is released, Galaxy S10 users are being urged to stay away from the latest upgrade to avoid the issues. It's worth noting that no other reports have been seen, so it seems the troubles are confined to the USA for now. This S10 bug has been spotted after another issue has hit Galaxy Note 9 and S9 owners. According to a recent post on an XDA Developer forum, it seems some owners are now facing their camera constantly crashing when trying to take photos. Not only does the camera app quit unexpectedly, but it also fails to take or store the photo users were trying to shoot. Instead, a message apparently appears on the screen that simply reads "Camera failed." This problem has appeared after an update was recently pushed out to users, with it introducing an improved night mode for the rear camera. Once installed, the night mode works the same as on Samsung's newer S10 series, meaning photos taken with the setting enabled typically come out brighter and with more details retained. There's no word on how many people both of these issues have affected or when a fix will be available.